Welcome to today's video. This video is about why does the ocean look blue? We've all seen it, that deep, almost magical blue stretching across the horizon. But have you ever wondered why the ocean looks blue in the first place? Is it reflecting the sky? Is something in the water causing it? Or is there a deeper scientific reason hidden beneath the waves? Before we dive into the explanation, we invite you to share your guesses in the comments below. Let's see what you think makes the ocean appear so blue. Today, we'll break down this everyday mystery in a simple, visual, and fascinating way. The kind of explanation you'll never forget the next time you visit the beach. Let's start by clearing up the biggest misconception. Many people believe the ocean looks blue because it reflects the sky, and while the sky can influence how the ocean appears, that's not the actual cause. Even without a sky, even in a giant indoor tank, even from underwater, the sea would still appear blue. So why does the ocean look blue? The answer begins with sunlight. Sunlight might seem white, but it's actually made of a rainbow of colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. When sunlight hits the ocean, something interesting happens. The water absorbs some colors more easily than others. In fact, water quickly absorbs the longer wavelengths, like red and orange, while blue light, with its short, punchy wavelength, travels much farther. Think of it like this. Imagine you're throwing colored balls into a swimming pool. Red and orange balls sink quickly and disappear fast. Blue balls, however, keep bouncing around, traveling farther and staying visible much longer. The same thing happens with light. Most colors vanish quickly inside the ocean, but blue survives and then scatters back toward our eyes. For a fun home experiment, try this. Fill a clear container with water and drop different colored marbles or small objects into it. Observe how the blue ones are more prominent, mimicking how blue light behaves in the ocean. This hands-on activity makes the science tangible and memorable. To explore further, take a flashlight and shine it through different clear containers filled with colored water or even colored cellophane. Notice how the various colors are filtered and how blue light remains visible the longest. This second experiment provides another engaging way to observe and understand the scattering effect. This scattering is what makes the ocean look blue. The water molecules in the ocean scatter blue light much more than red or yellow light. And because blue light is scattered in all directions throughout the water, what we see from above is that glowing blue color reflecting at us. The deeper the water and the clearer it is, the more intense the blue becomes. However, it's important to note that other factors can affect the ocean's color. For instance, sediment or pollution can cause water to look brown or gray. Explaining why not all water appears blue, understanding these variations helps connect the science to real-world exceptions we might encounter. But here's another twist. The color of the ocean can change. Sometimes it looks turquoise, occasionally green, almost black. Why? Because the ocean is alive. Green water often means there's a lot of phytoplankton, tiny plant-like organisms that contain chlorophyll. They absorb blue and red light, reflecting green instead. For example, parts of the Gulf of Alaska are known for their greenish waters, which are due to rich phytoplankton blooms. Shallow water can look turquoise because the sunlight bounces off sand or coral beneath the surface. This is beautifully evident in places like the Maldives, where the shallow lagoons display vibrant turquoise colors. And intense water appears navy or even black because so little light returns from the depths, as seen in the deep areas of the North Atlantic Ocean. So the ocean is a painter, constantly mixing different shades depending on depth, life, and light. Let's break the science down into 3 simple steps. 1. Sunlight hits the ocean. White sunlight contains all color. When it enters water, the energy from specific wavelengths is absorbed. 2. Water absorbs reds, oranges, and yellows first. These colors vanish quickly, fading into the water as the molecules absorb them. 3. Blue light travels farther and scatters back to us. That scattered blue is what we see, making the ocean look brilliantly blue. Another way to visualize this is to think of a flashlight underwater. If you shine a white flashlight into a deep pool, the beam appears increasingly blue as it descends, because the other colors disappear. Nature filters out every color except blue. Now picture standing on a beach during sunset. The ocean often looks orange or pink. That's because the sunlight entering the water is already filtered by the atmosphere, and the sky's dramatic colors blend with the ocean's natural blue. When the light changes, the sea changes too. Here's the fun part. This same phenomena, scattering, is also why the sky is blue. The ocean and the sky both play the same light trick, but in slightly different ways. One uses water molecules, the other uses air molecules. The result is the same beautiful color that fills our world from above and below. But don't stop there. Have you ever wondered why sunsets are red or why the sky on Mars looks different from Earth's? These questions are fascinating, and exploring them can reveal even more about the universe. So, the next time you look out at the ocean, you're not just seeing water. You're seeing physics in motion, a dance of light, depths, molecules, and movement. The ocean looks blue because of how it refracts sunlight, separating colors like a natural prism. And here's a final thought to reflect on. The color of the ocean connects us to something universal. The same blue we see across the water is the identical blue astronauts see when they look down at Earth. It's the same blue that tells a story about how light behaves everywhere in the universe. The ocean isn't just blue. It's a window into the hidden rules of nature. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more fascinating science facts, hit like and subscribe. For the full playlist, the link is provided in the description. Thanks for being curious with me today. I truly appreciate your time and interest. Stay tuned for more exciting content.